start recording. Then I'm going to go to my notepad and make another section, starting with a right slash, the video file name, paste it, a few enters, and left slash, marking a section of the screen. The objective now is to demonstrate the concept of a vanity phone number. So here's an example of a vanity phone number, WizMoBiz, that I'm going to place on my forehead as a sweatband, and another couple of them that I'm going to place on my hands. So I wrap it around my hand. Those are just regular sweat Velcro sweat band with Velcro connection, and most importantly, it has a message with my vanity phone number and vanity domain name on my hand. So when I record a video and I record in the process my hands, one can see my vanity phone number on my forehead and my hands. So when somebody misappropriates my videos and takes them and republishes them without giving any credit for it, I can include my logos and a vanity phone number on the sweatband and on my hand. So if somebody wants to contact me, they can see my vanity phone number. For example, 1wizmore.biz. The domain name is wizmore.biz, and the matching phone number is 949 667 3249, where the domain name extension of .biz matches the number 249. In addition to that, I'm going to add my hat. This is a fishing hat with the logo of the same vanity number and phone numbers displayed on it. So when I go fishing and I want to record a video, I can use it. It also has a back print of the same vanity phone number, and it has a bib and a mask. So I'm going to wear it to demonstrate the concept. And this is a concept of using a mask, and when you want to expose your face, you can use it as a bib. Now I want to incorporate that with compliance with Google Voice that requires me to activate it once every 90 days. So I'm going to open an email client, and I'm going to search for vanity phone numbers on Google Voice that have expired. I'm going to go to the Google Apps waffle and then to Gmail, and then I'm going to search for Google Voice that will expire in 30 days. And here are a couple, 3 Google Voice that need attention. So I'm going to select one of them, open it up. I clicked on it and I'm waiting for it to open. Sometimes it needs an extra click. And this one is Now Air Open. So I'm going to copy this Now Air Open, Control C to copy to the clipboard buffer, and then place it above the myvideo.mpeg file name. So Control V or Edit Paste. And then I want to log into the account now Air Open. So I'm going to mark now Air Open, right mouse click, and copy to the clipboard buffer, and then open another instance of the browser and try to log into this account. I'm going to scroll down and click add another account, and then scroll down to the bottom again and click use another account. And now Control V to paste. Here is now airopen.co, and then I click next, and then enter the password. Wrong password, try again. Let's try one more time, and then I'm going to go to another one. Okay, so what I will do for now, since it doesn't let me log into it, wrong password, try again, or click forgot. So let's click forgot and see what will happen. Okay, so I'll open another instance and see whether I got some kind of a verification code. Copy this verification code and then go back, try to enter it. It will let me continue. So I updated the password and continue. The phone number, let's see what's above there. I want to confirm both and continue. And now that I'm logged into it, I want to put the notes of the account. Let me copy that IS also. Copy and put it in my notes. At this point, I'm ready to navigate to Google Voice to see what it is. Or navigate first to Gmail and see what's going on there. All of these are outdated. Your new simpler toolbar. It's now easier to focus on common tasks. Find action under more. When I delete all these messages, then I want to navigate to Google Voice. Let's see if I can find the Google Voice here. Here's Google Voice. Sign in. Now we're open. Apparently now there's something happened to the Google Voice. So let's see if it is available. What is the account number here? Not Google Open. That's cool. The wrong account number, okay. This is the wrong account number. No. So make a note. No voice. G voice. Okay, now I want to switch from here. But now air open. Copy. Add another account. Use another account. Air open, not that without that code. So finally I got to the right account. So here I have a bunch of spammies that I need to delete. So first of all, let's go to the Gmail account. Where am I now? Oh, great. So, okay. I want to make an outbound call. Oh, oh my God. Okay, so this is yes, no. I want to make an outbound call to ChatGPT. Make an outbound call to ChatGPT. There's no audio. Why is there no audio? I don't know. I cannot hear any audio. Microphone. There's no audio and no speaker. I cannot hear. What happened to the speaker? Okay, let's try it again. It's a strange situation here. I don't get the call that I want. Let's try another thing. Let's try enter the number 800 chat GPT. Let's maybe this will work.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
Help me with my vanity phone number. Help me with my vanity phone number and domain name.
Sure, I can help with that. What do you have in mind for your vanity phone number and domain?
What I have in mind is a domain is a vanity phone number that is a Google Voice number.
Got it. So, you're looking to set up a vanity phone number through Google Voice. Do you already have a specific number or phrase in mind that you'd like to use?
Yes.
Great.
The phrase is yes, me, yes,
Okay,
me, home,
got it. So,
AI.
you're
This is
okay.
made out this is made out of 3 or 4 words. Yes, me, home,
Okay.
and AI. Yes Me Home AI.
Great. To set up a Google Voice vanity number like Yes Me Home AI, you'd need to find a numeric equivalent that matches those words. Have you thought about how you'd like to translate Yes Me Home AI into numbers on a phone keypad?
Yes. The number is area code 937 634 6632, and it spells the words Yes Me Home AI.
Got it. So the number 937-634-6632 corresponds to Yes Me Home AI. Now, you'll need to check if that number is available on Google Voice. If it's taken, you might have to get creative with similar options.
Yes, I checked in and already got the number, so I have the number already.
Perfect. Now that you have the number, you can use it to promote your brand or services. Would you like any tips on how to integrate this vanity number into your marketing or website?
I want you first to tell me by the words Yes Me Home AI, what do you think it means to the public?
The phrase Yes Me Home AI could be interpreted as an affirmation of personal empowerment, smart home services, and artificial intelligence. It suggests a personalized and innovative approach to AI solutions, possibly for managing or enhancing home environments. Does that align with what you're aiming for?
Yes.
Great. It sounds like a strong and memorable message for your brand. How can I assist you further with this?
Assist me further by elaborating how can I
Absolutely.
how can I set it up so the AI will run on a local host in the home.
To set up your AI to run on a local host in the home, you'll need a few key components. One, hardware, a dedicated server or a powerful PC to host the AI services. Two, software. Install the necessary software, frameworks, and libraries for your AI platform. Three, network. Configure your home network to allow secure access to the AI system. Four, integration. Connect your AI to various smart home devices and platforms. Five, testing. Regularly test and update the system for optimal performance and security. Would you like more details on any of these steps?
Yes.
Let's dive in. One, hardware. You'll need a robust computer or server, depending on your AI's complexity. Something with a strong CPU, plenty of RAM, and ample storage should suffice. Two, software. Install an operating system that supports your AI software. Common choices are Linux or Windows, depending on compatibility. Then, install your AI platform, like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or a custom solution. Three, network. Configure your router for secure access. You might need to set up port forwarding and ensure your firewall is correctly configured. Four, integration. Use APIs or compatible software to connect your AI with smart home devices like lights, thermostats, and security systems. Five, testing. Regularly test your system to ensure it's running smoothly and securely. Update your software and AI models as needed. Does this help clarify things?
Yes, and I got a whole bunch of spams which I have to delete. Some spams are kind of got my phone number and kept loading me with spam. So I'm going to delete them all so I don't waste my storage with those spammies.
That's a good idea. It's best to clear out spam to free up storage and keep things running smoothly. Make sure to configure your filters or settings to reduce spam in the future.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to do that.
No worries. To reduce spam, you can set up filters. Most email services let you create filters to automatically move spam to a separate folder. Two, use a spam blocker. Most services and security software remove built-in spam blockers. Three, unsubscribe.
No, I think I got it pretty well, and I formed a file name that includes the account name, which spells the word now air open, and then the phone number and the equivalent words. So the phone number is area code 937 634 6632, which is equal to, open parentheses, the word yes, close parentheses, me, home AI. And the message will not expire in 30 days.
That's a clear and organized way to label your files, including the phone number, its word equivalent, or the expiration policy makes it easy to understand. Is there anything else you'd like to add or adjust?
Yes, and I'm going to save it to a local file that I call Google Voice 1 so that I have a record of what I've done. So I click the save button and it asks me that it tells me that I've done it already and I want to override it. I say yes. And now I'm ready to upload it to the Google Drive. So I will have two copies, one on the local machine, on the local Windows 11. And now I navigate to Drive and I would upload the folder to the drive.
That sounds like a solid plan. Keeping backups on Google Drive is a great way to store your memories like this and possible. If you're not organizing or saving files on Google Drive, so try it.
Yes, so now I enter it, the subfolder, the Google Voice 1 subfolder, into the select folder to upload dialog box. And I click upload.
Great. Once the upload is complete, you'll have a sample in Google Drive. It's always a good idea to have your important files saved in multiple places. Anything else you'd like to know?
Yes, so Google reports to me that upload options replace existing folder, and I click upload again, and then it tells me that it is a 117 file. So I enter a carriage return and 117 after the file name, so I know that it successfully have uploaded 117 files to Google Drive. Did you get it?
That's a smart way to keep track of what you're doing. Including the file name in the folder name makes it easy to verify everything you did. Very smart. Is there anything else you'd like to address?
Yes, and now I would like to save it also. In addition to the Google Voice 1 subfolder, I would like to make a special subfolder only for this one account.
Sure. You can create a special subfolder for this account. Just create a new folder within your Google Voice subfolder, name it after the account, and then move the relevant files into it. This will help keep things organized. Would you like any tips on how to do this?
No, for now I would like to form another folder, another subfolder off of my document subfolder that includes the account name, which is spells the word now air open, and then it's the telephone number 937 634 6632 equal sign, and then open parentheses yes, close parentheses, me home AI, and that will be my new subfolder.
Got it. That's a clear and descriptive folder name. It will help you easily identify your files. Once you create your folder in one document, you can look or see where the files belong. Maybe you want to repeat it.
Yes, repeat the file name.
The folder name would be Now Air Open 937 634 6632 equals yes me home AI.
That's right, and this is a new subfolder name that includes not only the account name, and the word now is surrounded by open and close parentheses. Then there is an @ to indicate that this is a Gmail account, and then the Google Voice and Google Vanity number equal to the Vanity domain name Yes Me Home AI. I copy to the clipboard buffer and then I click save, and then I paste it into my notes, but I start the file name with the prefix of X and space, and then Control V to paste the file name, and then file save. Yes, and now I want to upload this newly created subfolder also to the Google Drive. So I pasted the subfolder name and then pressed enter and enter again and confirm upload one file to this site. And then it says 1 and 1. So I enter that number 1 as a suffix to the file name. So this way I know that I saved the file locally. I saved the folder, excuse me, locally, and the file in the folder locally, and I also upload the entire subfolder to the Google Drive. This is very confusing. Now I would like to save it again in the document subfolder, but into another subfolder which spells the word Yes Me Home AI. So I'm looking to see if I already have a folder like that that starts with the word Yes Me AI. Open parentheses, then the word yes, and then close parentheses. I got the X. Here I have the yes, but I don't have Yes Me AI. So I will have to make a new subfolder like that. Has to start with the words yes, me home. AI. So I uploaded it to the Google Drive, and Google replied that it uploaded one file. So it means that this new subfolder contains only one file. And by this I'm pretty much done. So I have to go back to my Gmail account that contains the message that it will expire. And now I'm going to delete this message since it is no longer relevant, and start another section. But before I do that, I want to make sure, I want to verify what happened with my Google Voice. So I'm going to go back to Voice to see what I got there in Voice. So the account here, I want it to go to the right account. Let's see, which account is this one? Wrong account. This one. can close in the wrong account also. And this one. So this one can close it. Go to this one. Take the next message here. Mob seeing AI. Okay, so this will be the next message. Control C to copy to the clipboard buffer. Now I'll go to my notes and set up another section here with less than signs. Then the message for Google Voice. Couple of blank lines. Then greater than sign. So I want to log into this new account, Mob Seeing AI. Let's see if I can log into that account. So here I want to go to add another account. Scroll to the bottom, use another account and paste the new account that I want, Mob Seeing AI. And next, and hope that I can get in. Enter the password. Mob Seeing AI, skip. Skip. And Mob Seeing AI has a different phone number there, which is quite confusing. Find broker. Okay. Very confusing. Edit. Copy. Open parentheses. Control V. Mob Seeing AI is the account name. This is a Gmail account. The message that I got from Google was that it will expire in 30 days. So first of all, I want to know that it will not expire in 30 days. Not expire in 30 days, okay? And that number spells find broker. Find broker. It is find broker. So the account Mob Seeing AI has a phone number that spells find a broker. So find will not expire in 30 days. Okay. Then I want to save it in my Google Voice One account. Copy. 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 File. Save as. Basic yes. So I saved it locally. X. Now I will try to upload it to Drive.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to open AI's terms and privacy policy.
Help me dealing with this confusion that I have concerning my vanity number and my Google Voice vanity number and my Google Voice account. That the account does not spell the vanity name. Yes, it spells another name, and then I'm confused as to which one is which. Yes, I logged into it. The account name is Seeing AI. Excuse me, is a Mob Seeing AI, and the phone number spells the word Find Broker, which is area code 346 327 6537. Can you repeat it? Yes. And what does it spell? No, the account name is Mob, M-O-B, Seeing AI. Now I'm trying to develop a methodology of documenting what I'm doing to be sure that I'm complying with the Google requirement to activate the account once every 3 months. Yes, yes. And then I'm trying to establish a subfolder that will be dedicated just to that. So the subfolder will be a subfolder off of my documents subfolder, and it will start with open parentheses, the word mob, then close parentheses, and seeing AI, then an, an at sign to indicate that this is a Google account name, followed by the number 346 for the area code, 347, 327 dash 6537, and then an equal sign, and then the meaning of the phone number, which is open parenthesis and the word fin, fin, close parenthesis, the letter D, so together they read find, and then the word broker.
Okay, got it. So you want your subfolder to be labeled something like this. Mom, AI, 346,
Yes, but you forgot the subfolder, the equal sign, and then open parenthesis fin, fin, close parenthesis, and the letter D, and then the word broker. Yes, so I'm now looking through my document, my names in my documents subfolder for the subfolder that starts with open parentheses and then the word mob in close parentheses.
Okay, you're looking for document subfolder, which is named with open parentheses.
Yes, yes, and I found mob, open parentheses, mob, close parentheses, seeing AI at, open parentheses, area code 346, close parentheses, 327 6537, open parenthesis, fin, close parenthesis, D, broker. Did you get the subfolder name? Can you repeat it, please?
Sure, the subfolder name is Mob, CAI, 346, 327, 6537, EI. That way, it includes the account name and the meaning of your vanity number.
Yes, but you forgot the important thing is the word mob is surrounded by open and close parentheses, and this way it is higher up on the sorting of the file name, so it will appear higher than just mob. It will be open parentheses mob, close parentheses, seeing AI at. So I added the open and close parentheses surrounding the word mob. So it is ranking high on the sorting default list of Windows 11 for file names.
Got it. So the subfolder name is Open Mob, CAI,
No, no, no. Open parentheses, mob, close parentheses, and then seeing AI. Repeat the beginning of the subfolder name.
Got it.
No, it starts with open parentheses. Let's focus on it. What is the first character in the subfolder name?
The first open parenthesis.
That's right. And what is the word following it?
It's Mob.
And after the word mob, what is the next character?
The next character is parentheses.
That's right. And what is the word following the close parentheses?
The word following the close parenthesis is CAI.
That's right. And then there is an at sign indicating that this name, Mob Seeing AI, is the account is a Google account name.
Exactly. Indicates that CAI is a Google account name. Then it's followed by the area code and the phone number.
That's right. And what is the area code and the phone number?
The area code is 346. And the phone number is 327-6547.
That's right. And then the spelling. So what does this phone number spells?
The phone number broker.
That's right. And in the file name, what did I enter for that folder?
You entered open parentheses, the word find in parentheses, the letter D followed by the word broker.
That's right. So that is the entire subfolder name, which I'm going to upload to the Google Drive.
Got it. So you're going to upload the entire subfolder named open parentheses, C, AI, at 346-347-6547. In parentheses, it's spelled file. D-file. So you entered the word D, followed by the word broker. Sounds like a solid plan.
Exactly. And then I've added a prefix to the file name, which is X space, and a suffix to the file name, which is the number 2, since Google replied saying to upload, it uploaded 2 of 2. Namely, in the subfolder, it uploaded 2 of 2 folders.
Understood. You added the prefix P and a suffix 2 to the subfolder name, and Google Drive uploaded it as 2 of 2 in the subfolder. Sounds like they've got it all down now.
Right, and now I would like to create a new subfolder that starts with a name, open parentheses, fin, close parentheses, D broker.
So you want to create a new subfolder starting with the name Find Broker. Are you planning to organize your files to relate it to your Google Voice number in this new subfolder?
Yes, exactly right. So this will be a subfolder that starts with the name of find broker.
Got it. So you'll create a subfolder named Find Broker to organize your Google Voice related files. Sounds like a plan.
And immediately after find broker, I will put the equivalent, the phone number that spells the words find broker.
So you'll put the equivalent phone number after Find Broker. That might be Find Broker 346-547-6547. Does that sound right?
Exactly. And immediately after that, I will have open parentheses, mob, close parentheses, seeing AI at, and the same information as I did before will not expire in 30 days.
Got it. So the full subfolder name will be Find Broker 346-347-6547. Same information as before. Sounds like a detailed and organized plan.
Right, so now I'm going to create the subfolder and I'm pasting the file name.
Sounds like a plan. Go ahead and create that subfolder.
So the subfolder will start.
The subfolder will start with Find Broker 346
No, no, no.
327.
It will start with open parentheses, the word fin, close parentheses, and the letter D, and then broker.
Got it. The subfolder name will start with Find Broker, with the word find in parentheses, followed by the letter D and then broker.
That's right. And then followed by a phone number, which is open parentheses, area code 346, close parentheses, and then 327 dash 6537. Yes, and so this will be the other subfolder. So I have two subfolder. One of them starts with Mob Seeing AI, and the other one starts with Find Broker. And now I have to navigate to this Find Broker one and place the message there. Yes, so I have to first of all navigate to the word open to the open parenthesis and then the letter F for Find Broker. Here I found it, Find Broker. And I go inside and paste this, save this file there. Yeah, I'm not all set. Now I have to save it. So I copy the file, the path, backslash, and as a suffix and the as a prefix, then backslash, and then the suffix of the file name. I click the save button, and then I go back to my notepad to paste it into the notepad. Starting with X and space, and then edit paste, paste the file name, and then a couple of blanks. Yes, and I hit save and I saved it, and now I want to upload it to the Google Drive. So I uploaded it to Google Drive. I selected a replace existing folder for the upload options, and I'm waiting for it to say 2 of 2. I go back to the file name. I put the prefix already of X space, meaning that I saved it to the local hard drive, and then a suffix of it. I put in a carriage return and the suffix and the number 2, namely that I saved it, and in it there were 2 files that Google uploaded to this subfolder. Exactly, and now I stopped Psar exe, problem step recorder exe, and I click the save button to save it. Yes, and I'm trying to structure it, the file name that is, and save it to another folder that contains a zip format of the same file. So instead of just the file name without day and time, I'm going to enter a prefix of the date, day of the week, and the time of the day. So I'll start with the date, which is December 16, so 12-16. Then the day of the week is Tuesday, so capital T and lowercase u and period. Oh, Monday. Excuse me, Monday. Is that Monday today? I'm not so sure. I think, yeah, right. Yeah, and then the current time is 3:43 p.m. So I put 3:43 p.m. because in a file name you cannot put the colon, so I have to replace the colon in the time from 3:43 to 3:43, which is the current time, and my starting time was about 3 o'clock, so it's already 3:00 p.m. was my starting time. Then I put the .zp for the zip file format, and then the file name. Then I put the prefix of the subfolder name, which is psar.exe1. The name of the software, psar, for problem step recorder.exe, the domain, the file name extension, and the number 1, indicating that this is version 1. Except I think you got some wrong uh, characters in there. There is no colon or sub. There's no colon allowed in the file name. No, no, 12-16 2025 space 2 capital T lowercase u period for Tuesday. Yeah, and I'm afraid that I have some problem here. No, that's right. Yes. Just saved it locally and I'm going to upload it to the Google Drive.
Sounds like a plan. Go ahead and upload it to Google Drive.
170 files. Wow.
That's quite a few files to upload.
So let's discuss the domain name findbroker.com, which is a website to find brokers of various kinds, such as real estate brokers, loan brokers, and various other brokers. Yes, to develop a platform that will help people find a broker and will help broker advertise their presence. So just remember now, I got a message to this account, Mob Seeing AI, saying your Google Voice number, area code 346 327 6537, will expire in 30 days. And this message is outdated due to my outbound call to ChatGPT, the outbound call to you. So now I have to delete this message because it is outdated. Can you repeat it? Exactly. And now I have to find another message like that that also may expired, copy it, and check it out to see if I already called it or what is the status of it. So I'm going to start with a bunch of open parentheses to segregate it from the rest of the file, paste the message, and this account is Dr. ARush, and then close the segregated area with close parentheses. So I made a little segregated area in my note at the top of my notepad, starting with a dozen open parentheses, the message from Google that if a Google Voice will expire within 30 days, and then close parentheses. The next step is to log into it and see what's happening in it. And I logged into it and I see that I have some outdated messages which I'm going to delete. So I mark them for deletion. I got some Google messages, security alerts. So I'm going to delete them and clear the space a little. Then I'm going to navigate to the Google Voice. So I'm navigating to Voice to see that the last call I made was on Wednesday at 5:30 about. The next move is trying to interpret what is the Google voice number spell. Okay, the number is area code 567 393 2627. What might it spell? That is the question. Okay, it spells Lord Webmaster, file save, and this message is outdated because I already made an outbound call, so I can delete this message. And now I'm fine to continue. File save. I want to save this file in Google Voice. It will start with the reading of Dr. ARush, Dr. ARush, then the vanity phone number, then the equal sign, what it spells, Lord, Webmaster, and the message, the number will not expire in 30 days. Will not expire. Okay, this is it for now. I want to go back to see what's going on with my recording. I'm going to stop the recording on the webcam, double click it to play it and to check if it works. Yeah, this is a demonstration of several concepts. Works well. I'm going to end that. MSN Recorder Max. I'm going to stop.